Welcome back, Dogelon Mars family. And get ready because the rockets are about to take off and we are on our way to Mars. Mission to Mars, baby. All right, guys. So I just wanted to give you a quick little update before the night is over, December 26th. 2021. We are sitting at 161. It's not bad. We have went through a nice period of gain the last 24 hours. What goes up must come down for a little bit. Do not be afraid. Please remain calm and confident in Dogelon Mars. This is the market. This is why we don't look at the market every 5 minutes. You don't want to put yourself through that torture. See, you got the up, you got the down, you got the up, you got the down, up and down all over again. So you can easily see how we had some sell-offs, some really big buybacks, sell-offs, and so on and so forth. And we going pushing here the next 24 hours. Just looking at it within 7 days. You see, when we look at it at a week's standpoint, it doesn't look that bad until we get to the 24 hours. It doesn't look that bad. In the last hour, it looks bad because it's all in the red. Again, this is why you don't look at it every 5 to 10 minutes, because it's only going to freak you out. We don't want to stay freak. We want to stay positive. And our mission, our mind on the mission. The mission is the goal, guys. Last 30 days. See, look where we came. We were in this red, and it looked like we were stuck there. It looked like we were about to lose more money. But we had a nice little rebound. Actually, boom, we had a nice little rebound from this down point going all the way up. This goes to show you guys, you never know. You know what I'm saying? Let's go back to, not the hourly, but the 7 days. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and draw a little line right across here. It's not the perfect line ever, guys. But all this right here, we're profiting still. It's pretty good, especially for all the newcomers and people who's been buying in. I hope you guys had a chance to buy in on this dip. This dip was insane. Had a lot of people trying to sell off their coins, getting frustrated because they couldn't sell their coins on crypto.com because of the limits. Yes, that will do that to you. This right here will make people want to sell off. But you don't want to sell off. This is the time you do not want to sell off, people. You want to buy. You definitely want to start buying in, getting your coins in. Because if you buy your coins, especially at these peaks right here, dude, you're golden. Look, this is the best time to invest right there. You know what I'm saying? These peaks right here, all this right here, these peaks right here. Good times to invest. You know, even this right here. Good times to invest. They're in the red. This is why you buy in the red. You do not buy in the green, guys. We're not buying in the green. This right here is where you want to save. You want to save and you want to sit on your coins. Now, let's say we're on a continuous uptrend. Then at these moments right here, again, you want to buy. Those are your buying points right there, guys. Those are your buying points. So, let's go back. Last 24 hours. Do you guys think we're going to bounce back? This is why I wanted to do this video. It's 11:31 p.m. here where I am in Missouri. And in the morning, we're going to find out. So stay tuned for your afternoon update. We're going to go from 12 to 12, okay? So 11:31 p.m. Tomorrow in the afternoon, 12 p.m., I will release another update video so we can see where we are at, family. Let's continue to stay positive as we continue on this uptrend to continue to grow. This is where it's at, guys. This is where it's at. It's going to happen. It's definitely going to happen. Stay positive. We on the way to Mars. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What's going on, Dogelon Mars family? We have the Dogelon Mars gear. Check out these fresh new t-shirts. You can be a walking billboard for Dogelon Mars, guys. Look at these amazing shirts. You know, people are going to stop. They're going to ask you questions. It's a great way to talk about Dogelon Mars. And most importantly, spread the information. Look at this. Going to 2021 refresh Dogelon Mars gear. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching. And please take some time, if you haven't signed this petition, sign this petition and let's grow together. Thank you so much.